Hello friends, welcome to our channel Maths with Snehal. I am Snehal. Here I am teaching 10th class Maths Part 1 Algebra. Here we start the chapter 1 linear equation in two variables. Now in this chapter we see the next concept, that is graph of a linear equation in two variables. Now here this is the basic concept lectures for drawing the graph of the linear equation in two variables. Already we have seen in the 9th standard the graph of linear equation in two variables appears in the straight line. Now here we see the some basic concepts because it is necessary in the graphical methods. All of you know that if we make a graph using graph paper or making lines on the notebook, first we see some simple concepts by solving the one example. Sometimes the question is given in your book as a draw a graph of, and the equation 1 is given, that is if we given the equation as a 2x minus y is equals to 4. This is the equation, and we have to draw the graph of linear equation in two variables. Now first we find out the value of x and y coordinates for drawing the graph. Now we find out the value by solving the given equation. First we see how to make a column. Maximum 3 to 4 values we have to find out for drawing the graph, and all of you know that the graph appears in the straight line. Now here we make a column for finding out the values of x and y coordinate. Here we find out the three values for drawing the graph. Now this is the column for writing the values of x and y coordinate. This is the x coordinate column, this is the y, and this is x, y. Now we find out the values of x and y coordinate. Here we solve the example by using the values. If we put the value of x is 0, now we get 2 multiplied by 0 minus y is equals to 4. Therefore minus y is equals to 4. That is the value of y coordinate is minus 4. That is if we put the value of x as a 1, we get the value of y coordinate as a minus 4. Therefore the coordinates are 0 and minus 4. Now if we put the value of x is equals to 1, now put the value of x is equals to 1 in the given example. Now is equals to 4. Therefore 2 minus y is equals to 4. Therefore 2 minus y is, here 2 is a positive. Now it will becomes negative on the right hand side. Therefore y minus y is equals to 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. Therefore y is equals to minus 2. Hence if we put the value of x as a 1 in the given equation, now we get the y coordinate as a minus 2. That is we get the coordinates 1 minus 2. Now if we put the value of x is a 2. 2 into 2 minus y is equals to 4. Therefore 4 minus y is equals to 4. Therefore minus y is equals to 4 minus 4. That is the value of y coordinate is 0. Hence if we put the value of x as a 2, now we get the value of y coordinate as a 0. Hence we get the coordinate to 0. Now by using these coordinates we have to draw the graph. Now see here how to draw the graph. All of you know the basic concepts for drawing the graph. That is for drawing the graph we want two axes, that is x and y axis. Suppose this is y and this is x axis. we extend this line because we have to draw the multidimensional graph. And all of you know the coordinates on the x-axis and coordinates on the y-axis. That is, here it is the 0 coordinate, and on the right hand side of the x-axis there is the positive values 1, 2, 3, 4. You draw the graph by using scale. Here we draw by using hand. And all of you know the we have to take 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. On the upper side of the y-axis are positive value, and on the downward side there is the negative coordinates. Now we have to find out the coordinates values. That is, here we write the coordinates at the one corner. That is, the first coordinate is 0, minus 4. Second one coordinate is 1, minus 2, and the third one coordinate is 2, 0. Now we have to draw the coordinates on the graph. First coordinate, x coordinate is 0, and the y coordinate is minus 4. That is, this is the first coordinate. Here we write the x and y coordinate, that is 0 and minus 4. Now the second one is 1 and minus 2. That is, 1 is on the x-axis and minus 2 is on the right axis, y-axis. So this is the second one coordinate, that is 1 and minus 2. Now third coordinate is 2 is on the x-axis and 0 is on the y-axis. Therefore this is the third coordinate, that is 2, 0. Now we have to draw the line passing through this coordinate. If the line passing through these coordinates appears in the straight line, then and then only this is the linear equation in two variables. We draw this by hand, you draw by using the scale. So you will get easily the straight line. Now this is the straight line for the equation 2x minus y is equals to 4. If we appears the graph in the straight line, then and then only we call it as a linear equation in the two variables. All of you know that this is some basic concepts I am telling here, and we solve some examples in the next lecture. So if you like my video, then share with our friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.